Ever had someone shower you with love after months of ignoring or hurting you? That's not romance. That's hoovering, and it's the narcissist's deadliest weapon. They'll promise they've changed, cry, even act like they can't live without you, but it's all bait. I lived it, and the moment you take them back, the cycle of control starts all over again. In my new video, I break down the exact signs of hoovering and how to spot them before they pull you back in. Hit the link in my bio, butterfly, or join me over on YouTube at Narc Free Nirvana and protect your peace.